Italy has just announced an ambitious plan to massively modernize its military forces, with the acquisition of up to 380 advanced KF51 Panther main battle tanks and more than 1,000 infantry fighting vehicles, all part of a major overhaul set to transform its defense capabilities. This news came during the IAV 2025 conference, where the Italian Ministry of Defense revealed details of the extensive modernization program. The centerpiece of this modernization is the KF51 Panther, a next-generation tank developed by Rheinmetall. Set to replace Italy's aging C1 and C2RE tanks, the KF51 Panther offers significant advancements in firepower, mobility, and survivability. Armed with a 130mm smoothbore cannon, the Panther provides a 50% increase in firepower compared to current 120mm systems. With a cutting-edge auto-loader and enhanced protection systems, it's designed to dominate on the modern battlefield. But it's not just the tanks. Italy is also set to acquire around 1,050 infantry fighting vehicles based on the KF41 Lynx platform. These versatile vehicles will be tailored for a range of roles, including reconnaissance, anti-tank operations, and engineering support, ensuring that Italy's forces are more mobile and lethal than ever before. To make this vision a reality, Italy has teamed up with German defense giant Rheinmetall, forming a joint venture called Leonardo Rheinmetall Military Vehicles. This partnership will see the majority of production take place in Italy, solidifying the country's position as a hub for advanced military vehicle manufacturing. This massive investment, totaling more than 10 billion euros, is just one part of Italy's broader defense modernization strategy, which also includes long-range artillery, air defense systems, and upgraded missile platforms. The new KF51 Panthers and Lynx IFVs will not only bolster Italy's national defense but also increase its export potential, positioning the country as a leader in military technology. The Italian army is preparing for a new era of armored warfare, equipped with some of the most advanced platforms on the planet. This modernization program is set to deliver cutting-edge technology and enhanced operational capabilities, ensuring Italy remains a strong and versatile member of NATO. Stay tuned for more updates on Italy's military modernization and how these new tanks and infantry vehicles will change the future of warfare.